Hi there, today we're showcasing a 1.5 gallon watering can perfect for indoor and outdoor plants. Made from premium galvanized steel, it's durable, rust-proof, and built to last through all weather conditions. The watering can features a removable sprinkler head for both gentle and steady watering options. Two ergonomic stainless steel handles make carrying and pouring easy and comfortable. Its elegant green design adds charm to any garden or indoor space. This versatile watering pot also doubles as a decorative vase for fresh-cut flowers. It's an ideal gift to bring joy to any gardening enthusiast. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.